Hello everyone, I have a project and I would like to show you how it works. Its name is Java-CPC. You can find it on crates.io. It's written in Rust and its name CPC stands for Copy Paste to Clipboard. I will show you some examples immediately. But first I would like to show you how to install it, and then I will give a quick overview and then I will give some examples. So we are under Windows and since it's written in Rust, you can install it with the command cargo install and you specify the name of the package CPC. This is a binary crate. Of course you must have cargo installed on your system. It will download it, compile it, and it will also install the binary cpc.exe to a dedicated folder. It takes some time. Okay, we are ready, and in this line we can see where it was installed. Let's find it. So this is on drive C, users, your username, in my case java.cargo, and here in bin we can find cpc.exe. When you installed cargo and the Rust programming language, this folder bin was added to your path. So CPC is now available. And I want to give a quick overview. So now I put this text test on the clipboard. So when I press Ctrl V, you can see this is on the clipboard. And when you I close it and I go to a subfolder. Let's go to projects, for instance, and hello world. Okay, here in this folder, if you issue the command cpc, nothing happened, but actually this program was executed and it put the current path on the clipboard. So now if I press Ctrl V, this path is on the clipboard. And for CPC you can also give an argument, the name of a file, and now the current path is concatenated with the name of the file. So actually it will put the absolute path of this file on the clipboard. Okay, and it was the quick overview. And the question is, what is it good for? In which cases can you use it? And now I want to give you some real life examples. So for instance, you write a document and you want to save it, but you know exactly where you want to save it. For instance, I want to save it in this directory, in C projects doc. But here when you press Ctrl S, save, it will want to save to a default directory. And here finding the destination directory is sometimes very tiring and cumbersome. So in this case, if you use Total Commander, I highly suggest this file manager. Here you just type cpc, it appears here at the bottom, and press enter. And now the path of this destination directory is on the clipboard. So all you have to do is here you just paste it, Ctrl V, you give it a name, test.doc, and it is saved. And the file is there. Let's see another example. For instance, I want to open this file, test.pdf. but let's suppose that the application that I want to use is not associated to this file. So I have the application opened, and here when you press Ctrl O, again it's a bit complicated to find the file that you want to open. But fear not. If you use Total Commander, simply type cpc space, and with Ctrl Enter you can paste here at the bottom the name of the currently selected file, and then just press Enter. So once again, cpc space, Ctrl Enter, and Enter again. Now the full path of this file is on the clipboard. So in the application you just press Ctrl O, Ctrl V, and the file is opened. So this is how I use CPC, and when I work under Windows I use it all the time. And CPC is cross-platform, so it also works under Linux similarly. So let's open gedit, and here I put my current directory on the clipboard. It is there, and if I add the name of a file as an argument, it's also added to the end of the path. It's put on the clipboard. So this is cross-platform. It works under Linux and under Windows also, but I mainly use it under Windows. So this is what CPC is, and we saw how to install it, and we also saw some examples. Thank you for your attention.